make a deep dish pizza. Well, it may not be a Chicago deep dish, but it's a Big Papa deep dish. This is all Trader Joe's stuff, so it's kind of fun. So let's start by making the sauce. And I have my trusty blender here with a can of San Marzano tomatoes. Now what I have here is Little Louie's, about a half a teaspoon in there. In here I have a pinch of sugar, a teaspoon of oregano, and 3 cloves of garlic. Here we go. I love my battery powered blender. Let's start by pulsing it. Wow, that's cold, uncooked, and it's beautiful. Now what since you're my teammate here, we're gonna put it in a little pot and cook it down for about 15 minutes or so, and then I'll be ready to build the pizza. While we've got the sauce simmering, we're gonna need the dough. I think I'm gonna go for 1.5. If I need more, I always can. Listen, this is the Trader Joe's deal. Trader Joe's pizza dough, plain. Here comes the fun. Stretch it out good. Should I do one of these? No. Nope. Nope, that's it. Getting closer. But we're getting there. Trust me. We're going big boy. Here's what we're going to do. I don't have any corn milk. I'm not really worried about it. Just pan breaking spray. Perfect release. No artificial. Nothing. We kind of get them right over the edge here. We're getting close, I promise you. Okay, look at this coming down. That's not good. Okay, we're going to put it in the oven for just about a minute or two, maybe 3 or 4. Olive oil, just because I saw my son Scotty doing that. So now I want to stay up. Is anybody having fun besides me? Here we go. Watch it. Watch my technology. Siri, 3-minute timer.
3 minutes.
I'm so high tech. I love it. Okay, let's build this thing. Start with some cheese. 2 cups of cheese. It's about 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella, and then a quattro formaggio, which has a whole bunch of different cheeses in it. I would say that's pretty good. Push it a little higher. Now, pepperoni. This is so funny, it's just the backwards pizza. Here we go, because everything is completely different than I'm used to cooking. And that's why it's fun to get out of your norm, get out of your comfort zone. Then I have what started out as a couple mushrooms. I've cooked them properly, which I talked to you guys all about. When you're cooking mushrooms, don't put them in a bunch of oil and butter and then cook them. Put them in there dry. As the heat hits the mushrooms, it caramelizes them. The liquid releases and it gives it a beautiful, kind of an advanced umami. So I love using that word. I'm gonna leave it a little bit funky. Now we have some Italian sausage. Now a lot of people I see make this with the sausage and stuff, they cook the sausage, they put it in raw. And I just didn't like that. I didn't think that was a good thing for this pizza because I didn't want the juices from the sausage interfering with the crust. So here we go. Sausage, pepperoni, mushroom, and now it's time for sauce. Sauce right here. Woo! Ooh, smell-o-vision. Again, guys, you need it. There's 1 ladle. Probably gonna take 3 or 4. I think we're really close. I'm trying to spread this around just a little bit. That looks beautiful. Let me come in here and just do clean up on aisle 4. It's like surgery, except for pizza. Kind of not near the table stakes. I'm really loving that. Okay, we do have a couple things we have to do. I'm going to take some dried oregano, even though we used fresh in the sauce. What I like to do is dry is put it in my hand and open it up a little bit. And secret weapon, Parmesan. Can you believe I did this? I can. Okay, what we're looking for here is a golden crust. Everything's been cooked, so we want to just make sure the crust is right. So let me put this in the oven, and we're going to be having a nice dinner. Siri, 15-minute timer, and that's when I'll see you guys. So here we're done. Look at this thing. Woo! Okay, so what we're going to do, I always include you guys. I don't want you thinking I don't. We're going to let it set for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to eat it. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, Threads, YouTube. God, you name it, we're everywhere. Anyway, we're going to love this. Thanks for tuning in. See you later.